In today's video, we're going to make our own shower bombs and learn why you need to know how to make this fantastic do-it-yourself product for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. These simple bombs allow you to enjoy the benefits of essential oils without having to take a bath. Just take a shower, toss in a bomb, and essential oil heaven. Alright, let's get to it. We need 1 large glass mason jar, 1 ice cube tray, 1/4 cup of water, 1 cup of baking soda. Baking soda is antibacterial and antifungal. Here are some essential oil combinations I like to use. Respiratory, 10 drops of peppermint, 10 drops of eucalyptus, and 6 drops of tea tree. Sleepy time, 10 drops of lavender, 6 drops of vetiver, and 6 drops of marjoram. Energy and focus, 10 drops of peppermint, 10 drops of wild orange, and 5 drops of frankincense. Peppermint's cooling properties can relieve muscle joint pain and support the respiratory tract. Eucalyptus can support the respiratory tract, it's antibacterial and antiseptic, and can reduce inflammation. Tea tree is antibacterial and antifungal and supports against inflammation. Wild orange can reduce stress and anxiety. It's antibacterial and antioxidant and can improve circulation and increase energy and focus. Frankincense can reduce stress and anxiety. It's antibacterial and supports the immune system. It can also increase concentration and focus. Lavender can induce calm and relaxation. It's an antioxidant, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and can improve blood circulation. Vetiver can reduce stress and anxiety. It supports the nervous system. Marjoram helps to decrease blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and decrease stress and anxiety. Add baking soda and water to a bowl and mix well. You don't want the mixture too goopy, only solid enough to bind together if made into a ball, so only add additional water if the mixture is too dry. Then add your desired essential oil combination to the mixture and blend well. Next, pack the mixture into the ice cube tray. Ensure you pack the mixture into the mold well. Let bombs dry for 8 hours. Once dry, remove the bombs and place in the glass mason jar. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Store in a cool and dry space. Thanks for watching, and remember, like, share, and subscribe, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.